Software as a service, red flags to avoid. The demand for online learning and development software continues to grow. People expect more of their employees in terms of learning and personal development, which is why many businesses are turning to software as a service, SaaS, platforms as the best way to provide this type of training. There are so many options available that it can be hard to know where to start. But before you read on, we have a few things to remember when choosing your own company. In order to get the most out of your software, you need to tap specific features that can work with your company culture and needs. The best software as a service will be easy to implement with little disruption within your team, simple enough that they won't find excuses not to apply themselves to it, and affordable enough that you don't break the bank in the first year. So let's take a look at some red flags. Lack of accessibility. There are two main aspects to accessibility when considering software as a service. First, does the software work well on all devices? And second, does it have an accessible design? The best software will be able to be used on any device and platform. This is important for two reasons. It makes it easier for your employees to log on and use the software, and it helps you avoid needing to purchase additional hardware or software to make it usable. In terms of design, accessibility means that the software is easy to navigate and that the font, color scheme, and language or logic used are all easy to understand. This is also important to avoid any discrimination against employees with disabilities. Poor customer service. One of the biggest red flags with software as a service providers is poor customer service. If you're looking for the best online learning and development software, it's important to check online reviews to make sure the provider hires and trains great support staff who can help you get the best out of your investment. Poor customer service is one of the quickest ways for a business to lose customers. This can be particularly true for online learning and development software because your employees may need to rely on that support team for training help or assistance with logging into their accounts. Customer service is an essential part of any business's success. But it's especially important in software because if your employees aren't able to access and use the tool you've paid to use and subscribe to, you've just wasted a lot of money. Lack of aesthetic design. It may sound superficial, but the design of your online learning and development software as a service is important. The best software providers have well-designed and consistent interfaces. They also have a good color scheme and typography that are easy to read, navigate, and understand. Aesthetic design can help with accessibility, as well as building trust and authority with clients. If your software looks cheap and unprofessional, it can lead to a lack of trust and a bad user experience. This will likely result in employees not wanting to use it or finding excuses not to. On the other hand, software that is well designed will encourage employees to use it. Technology rot. This isn't something you can see in software as a service before you subscribe to it, but it's worth remembering when comparing providers. Technology rot occurs when a company relies on old software and old technology that is no longer supported. This can create many issues for your business, including the inability to use certain features and the fact that your employees are using software that has been abandoned by the company that made it so they can't get any new updates. The best software as a service providers will keep their software up to date and be on top of any technology rot that may occur in their products. Bad software as a service company reputation. This one is difficult to judge, but it's worth keeping in mind. Check online reviews and make sure to research the company behind your software provider. If they have a shady reputation or a bad history, you'll likely want to look for another provider. Bad or lack of collaboration tools. The best online learning and development software will have collaboration tools or be compatible with the ones that you already use. Collaboration tools can help your employees stay in touch, keep each other accountable, and help them build stronger relationships and stronger bonds within the team. Collaboration tools are also important for online software that your employees can stay in contact and be able to complete tasks and assignments even when they're not in the office or on the same schedule. No company culture building tools. Some of the best online learning and development software have features that encourage employees to collaborate together and learn from each other. This type of software will have features like blogs, forums, challenges, and quizzes that help people get to know each other and learn more about their skills, interests, and passions. This type of software is great for building trust, relationships, and a sense of community within the office. No tracking or reporting mechanism. The best online learning and development software as a service will have features that allow you to track and report on employee progress and results. This is important for a number of reasons. First, it allows you to get the most out of your software since you can track which employees are using it the most and for what reasons. It also allows you to keep track of which employees may need assistance or additional tools or resources. Finally, it allows you to measure how effective your software is and how much it has helped employees and your company. Inability to sync with existing platforms. This one is important if you already use tools or software within your company. The best online learning and development software will be able to sync with your existing platforms, such as your CRM or HR software. This allows your employees to use the tools they are already comfortable with and minimizes disruption and change within your team. Conclusion. The best online learning and development software as a service providers are those that are easy to use, have a good aesthetic design, are easy to log into, and are able to be used on any device or platform. This should also have collaboration features to help employees stay in touch and build relationships with each other, company culture building tools to encourage employees to learn from each other, and the ability to sync with existing platforms. When choosing your online learning and development software, you want to make sure that it matches your company culture, is easy to use and navigate, and has the features that best fit your needs so that your employees get the most out of their subscription. We offer 24/7 live support. Software as a service teaching labs are often equipped with live customer service representatives that can help you out with any issue. You can expect to have 24 support with a software as a service platform like ReadyTech, with availability on all major holidays. And if you have a high volume business with a large number of learners, you may want to look into managed services. A managed service provider, MSP, can help manage your entire SaaS learning lab, including implementation, ongoing maintenance, repair, and troubleshooting. ReadyTech is here. Software as a service applications are the new frontier of teaching and learning, as the need to keep up with the growing remote learning industry is stronger than ever. If you are still interested in what SaaS is, ReadyTech provides you with everything you need, and we offer a full service setup process and 24/7 live support.